Hi, my name is Alex Renaud from alexrenaudenergy.com. And in today's video, I wanted to share with you tools that I'm using personally to be more present and to really focus on the present on a deeper level. So those are 7 tools that I'm using, and hopefully you can use those as well if you're finding yourself feeling a little bit too much in your mind and you want to really put more awareness to your heart. So the number one technique that I'm using is gratitude. So what I love to do in the morning is asking myself, what are the 10 things that I'm grateful for today? And at the end of the night, well, before I'm going to bed, I love to ask myself also, what is the thing that I'm the most grateful for today? So just going back into what you've done during the day in your mind, and that really helps to elevate your awareness to the feelings of the present by really thinking about what you've done during your day. That really brings beautiful feelings inside yourself, and so that's a really good tool to use. Another one is to focus on the breath. So if you're finding yourself being a little bit too busy in your mind, to go inward is really important. So you close your eyes and you just allow yourself to do um, some deep breathing and to focus your awareness on your breath. And there's one tool that I love to do is the square breathing technique. So the idea is to inhale for, let's say, for example, 4 seconds, hold the breath for 4 seconds, exhale for 4 seconds, and hold the breath for 4 seconds. And you do that like in rotation, basically. So you want to do that for whatever you need, but like a good 3 to 4 minutes will really help you to go into the present moment on a deeper level. So that's a really good tool to have. Another way to really put your awareness to the present is to eat mindfully. So really in every bite of food that you are taking, if you can really put your awareness on, okay, I am present and I'm eating the food at the moment, and you really showing a bit awareness, and you're like, as long as as long as you say to yourself, I am with the food, and I'm not letting my thoughts being distracted to myself, that's going to really help you to be more aware and more present of your food. Another one is to smile at yourself. So really being able to smile at yourself. When you smile at yourself, that just everything stops around you, because when you say to yourself, okay, I'm gonna smile at myself, that sends to your brain feel good energy, feel good vibrations, and also at the same time, um, when you say to yourself, I'm gonna smile to myself, the present and the future doesn't exist anymore. That's only the present that exists. So when you smile at yourself with a big smile like the one I'm doing right now, that's really a good tool to be more mindful and more present. Another tool is to, when you find yourself being busy in your mind, um, you ask yourself, I am here. And like that's one way to say it to yourself. But what I love to do is a technique that I've learned when I've done 5 days of silence last year in 2019. One thing that the meditation teacher proposed was to say the word Shiva Home. Shiva Home. So the thing is, like, when the brain doesn't know what you're saying to itself, it kind of like goes blank. And when when it goes blank, your awareness just go into the present moment. So you can say, am I here, or you can say Shiva Hum. I prefer to use Shiva Hum, but you can say, am I here, to really bring your awareness also. Um, Another tool is to focus on the silence. So there's lots of ways to be able to focus on the silence, but the idea is, for example, to really focus on your breath. And when you focus on the breath, instead of focusing on the breath itself, you focus on the silence. So what I mean by that is you're breathing in, and when you hold your breath, there's silence. So you just focus on the silence, and then you breathe out, and you focus on the silence again. And so that really brings the awareness to the present also. And the last tip, the last tool that I want to share with you is to put your awareness to the space around you. So everything is has space, because if there was no space around us, we would be just stuck. And often we're putting our attention to the things that we have around us. Like here, like things or nature. So, but if you can put your awareness to the space, like say here, like the space in between the trees, or the space when you look at the sky, looking the space in between the clouds. So yeah, that's another tool to be able to be more present. So I'm a big believer that being present is really important, and of course it's important to be able to plan um, what we have to accomplish. But in order to be able to be more efficient in our plans, I believe that's really important to be aware of who we are, and where we are also, and how we are. And so those tools are meant to help me and meant to help you also. So hope you did enjoy those tools. If you did, feel free to subscribe on this channel, because I'm always dropping nice value to be able to be the best version of ourselves. So thank you for watching, and feel free to look at the description on this video if you want to know more about what I can offer for you. So I have a book, an audio book, and online course also. So thank you again for watching, and I'll see you in another video.